Teachers will make sure the class is well ventilated and open the windows. When you arrive at your class, you will need to follow these steps. First, make sure you clean your hands at the cleaning station. The teacher will show you which desk you can sit at. This will always be your desk. Next, make sure you clean your desk thoroughly with the cleaning products provided. Make sure you safely throw away any paper towels you use. When you are in your bubble, it is safe to remove your mask. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Classes will be as educational and engaging as always. You will still work with other students in your class at a safe distance. Leave any finished work at the corner of your desk so your teacher can check it and return it to you. At the end of your class, pack up your belongings and put on your mask. The teacher will instruct you to leave one by one.